So going back to the start, we showed up in Chicago and thought we'd have a leg up at this whole I-Corps thing. We'd gone through our regional, the DC I-Corps program, had a few customer interviews under our belt, and thought it'd be a piece of cake. But boy, were we wrong. The knowledge that we had was more surface level. Once we started drilling down to those deeper questions, a lot of our answers became, I don't know. So now we had a mission. Go talk to people, no more assumptions, come back with real, tangible answers. We drove up and down the mid-Atlantic and even flew from coast to coast in order to talk to stakeholders and experts in the field, especially people that would buy our product. When time didn't permit physical travel, we would make a call. After just 6 weeks, our tiny team of 3 had talked to over 100 people from almost 20 different states.
This is phenomenal. I mean, phenomenal in the sense that I actually get to get out of this office. I get to meet with real people who actually are in charge of real problems.
We had our ups.
To the receptionist and said, "Can we talk to someone?" And he was generous enough with his time. He stayed around later than he was going to stay with his time, that we had a really deep, meaningful conversation with him.
And we had our downs.
I got into the facility and I was told that this is a forensic hospital. Forensic what? And according
Hospital
to
for the
Roger,
criminally insane.
and exactly when I heard that, I left the facility without second thought.
We learned that our original value proposition to improve patient safety by predicting equipment errors was perfectly valid, but our technology didn't address the actual market need. There was a market and a product, but no product market fit. Our next value proposition to help hospital equipment managers reduce their maintenance workloads had a much better prospect for success. We spoke to dozens of clinical engineers and nearly everyone was trying to weed out unproductive maintenance because they saw an opportunity to save tens and even hundreds of thousands of dollars while improving their outcomes. We had finally found our customers in our market niche, and we spent the rest of the program working as a team to build hypotheses on channels, key partnerships, and cost revenue structure. Chicago this week to wrap up this leg of the I-Corps program. It's been a wild, sometimes grueling ride, but we've learned a lot and accomplished a lot. We're not looking to leave this process anytime soon. There's still more work to be done.